Every year, we celebrate World Refugee Day to honor refugees around the world and celebrate our refugee neighbors right here in our own communities. In Pittsburgh, we also use this opportunity to recognize Immigrant Heritage Month and celebrate the diverse cultures that make up our city. This day is a chance to learn about your neighbors, participate in unique cultures, and find ways to help make Pittsburgh a place where all of us belong.
Right now, around the world, over 20 million refugees don't have a place to call home. Here in Pittsburgh, we're proud to be part of helping with the effort to resettle refugees and provide them with opportunities to thrive. Over the years, thousands of refugees have made Pittsburgh their home, a place where they can rebuild their lives, work, play, learn, connect, and grow.
Through music, dance, crafts, food, and personal stories, we'll be celebrating diverse cultures and the experience of our new residents coming to Pittsburgh and what it's like to live here. What do they miss about home? What was it like moving to a new country? How have they made Pittsburgh a home? You'll be able to see the world through the eyes of your neighbors. We've got some other special activities planned, including an online marketplace of local immigrant-owned businesses, recipes from around the world on our global food blog, and activities for kids featuring local refugee and immigrant students. We also have special guests from local and state government who have been key partners in providing a warm welcome.
Each World Refugee Day, we come together as a city to celebrate our neighbors from all over the world and to learn from their experiences. While we miss celebrating in person, we hope that this year's event will inspire you to find ways to engage with the diverse cultures of Pittsburgh. We also have ways for you to take actions and get involved with supporting and caring for the refugees in our communities. We hope you will enjoy this virtual celebration of World Refugee Day and look forward to seeing how you celebrate our refugees and immigrant neighbors. Thank you.